Good evening. We begin with a breaking severe weather report. The Caribbean remains on high alert as Hurricane Melissa, a catastrophic Category 5 storm, bears down. Watch this incredible satellite imagery showing the storm's powerful formation. Melissa underwent rapid intensification, achieving maximum sustained winds of 185 miles per hour. This storm has made history, becoming the strongest hurricane on record to make landfall in Jamaica. Its impact is already being felt across the island. We are seeing reports of life-threatening storm surge, which reached up to 13 feet, and catastrophic wind damage. Homes and infrastructure have suffered a total structural failure in the storm's core. Mandatory evacuations were issued as officials warned of flash flooding and landslides. First responders are already bracing for a complex recovery effort that will follow. We continue to monitor the path of Melissa as it moves toward Cuba and Hispaniola. Stay with us for the latest updates on this developing crisis.
Respect we give them, guys.
Right in front of my gate, that. Jesus have mercy, God. Look on the road. I rode that, no? I rode that.
Bumbo clad on, go on! Mongrel, move! Everyone move! Bumbo clad!
Olha aí, gente, esse é sobre o vento de ontem do município de Pratinha. Tá ligado?